Hello students. The students who couldn't come in the Zoom meeting, so for them I'm recording the lecture. You may be hearing it now. So nouns. Nouns means naming words. What are they? Naming words in simple language, which nowadays you can see in this second class book. The definition is that is naming words. It means, if we look the broader look as per your standard, that is 4th grade, it means name of a place, thing, and animals. मीन्स एनीथिंग, कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जो कि संसार में, दुनिया में आप उसको नाम दे सकते हो, ठीक है, वो क्या है? नाउन. जैसे मैंने बोला नेम ऑफ ए, एक मिनट, और पर्सन का भी नाम हो जिसमें, वो भी क्या है? नाउन. नेम ऑफ ए प्लेस, प्लेस का नाम जैसे कि दिल्ली, आगरा, चेन्नई, ठीक है, चंडीगढ़, कुरुक्षेत्र, करनाल, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, अमेरिका, ये सारी चीज़ें क्या है? प्लेस है, जगह का नाम है. देन थिंग, थिंग जैसे कि आप देखोगे कोई भी चीज़ हो, जैसे बुक, पेंसिल, ये सारी क्या है? थिंग्स हैं. एनिमल, एनिमल जैसे कि डॉग, कैट, लायन, ये सारी चीज़ें क्या है? एनिमल. पर्सन जैसे कि आपका नाम है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हरप्रीत, ठीक है, मेरा नाम है शीना. तो दिस इज व्हाट? नेम. नेम्स ऑफ प्लेस, थिंग, एनिमल एंड पर्सन इज नोन एज noun. So fastly looking into it, how many kinds of nouns are there? Kinds of nouns. By the way, there are 8 kinds of nouns, but as per your syllabus, we will take only 3 to 4 kinds of nouns. Number 1 is common noun. Number 1 is common noun. Then second, what is common noun? Common noun is which is having a common identity. Which is having common identity. Means you can find out commonly. Which can be found out? Which can be found out commonly. ठीक है, commonly आप देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि schools. If for example I talk about schools. Schools, there are so many kinds of schools. Okay, so many kinds of schools you can see. There are many kinds of schools. तो schools तो common नाम है, भी बहुत सारे schools हैं. अभी कौन सा स्कूल है ये हमें नहीं पता. हाँ, schools जैसे कि हॉस्पिटल्स भी आपको कहीं पे भी देखने को मिल जाएंगे, बहुत सारे हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, ठीक है. चिल्ड्रन बहुत सारे होते हैं, ठीक है. फाइन. बॉयज, गर्ल्स, ऐसे बहुत सारे होते हैं. लेकिन बट इफ आई टेक अ पर्टिकुलर नेम ऑफ ए स्कूल, अगर मैं कोई पर्टिकुलर नेम, यानी कि एक कोई खास नाम ले लेती हूँ स्कूल का, मैं कोई खास नाम ले लेती हूँ हॉस्पिटल का. इफ आई टेक पर्टिकुलर नेम ऑफ ए हॉस्पिटल, इफ आई टेक पर्टिकुलर नेम ऑफ नेम्स ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, अगर मैं पर्टिकुलर नेम ले लेती हूँ, देन व्हाट वी कैन सी, दिस बिकम्स अ प्रॉपर नाउन. फिर ये क्या हो जाएगा? प्रॉपर नाउन. So what is proper noun? Which has a specific identity. Which has a specific identity. विच हैज़ ए स्पेसिफिक आइडेंटिटी, जिसके पास एक स्पेसिफिक आइडेंटिटी होती है, कोई खास नाम है, जिसका कोई पर्टिकुलर नाम है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्कूल्स मैंने बोला है, अभी स्कूल जैसे कि अगर मैं बोलती हूँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल DPS स्कूल, जो हमारे स्कूल का नाम क्या है, दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल। For example, DPS, Delhi Public School. Then another is like DAV, Maharana Pratap. These are what particular names है school के. So this what becomes DPS. And if I say KIMS Hospital, KIMS. So this is what a particular name of the hospital. Is that clear? Children. If I say so many children, Sohi, Kathy, Catty, ये सारे क्या names है children के. So this is what particular noun. So this is known as proper noun, which has a specific identity, यानी कि particular identity है, जिसका particular नाम जो है वो होता है. ठीक है. Now proper noun, and then what it is? It last one is material noun. Last one is what? Material noun. Material noun means name of the substances, name of the substances or materials from which things are made. Name of the substances or materials from which the things are made. So these are what? Material noun. Material noun, name of the substances or materials from which things are made. ऐसे names जो है substances की या materials की जिससे जो है यानी कि things बनाई जाती हैं. जैसे if I say cotton cloth, cotton cloth किससे बनता है? Cotton से. Books, पेपर किससे बनता है? ट्री के ब्रांचेस से, ट्रंक से, लीफ से. फाइन. इज दैट क्लियर? पेंसिल लिड, जो लीड जो है अब वो किससे बनती है? लीड एलिमेंट से बनती है. पेंसिल किससे बनती है? वुड से बनती है. एग्जैक्टली. बुक्स, पेन, पेपर, टेबल, चेयर, फर्नीचर. दिस इज व्हाट? मटेरियल नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल what benches, chairs. ठीक है. books, poly bags, jute bag. These are what? Material noun. Is that clear? So these are what? Material noun. Now, so how many nouns are there? Common noun, proper noun and material noun. Is that clear? Now then comes singular and plural noun. This I have not taken in Zoom meeting session because many children were not there present today. Okay, so I think only from 34 students, only 25 26 were present, or 20 were present. So we will continue the next topic, that is the singular and plural noun. Singular noun, which means which terms is singular thing. For example, a book. A book. Book is what? A particular singular thing. A book. A pen. So, if plural comes, it will come books, pen. Fine. This is what? Singular noun. Child. This is what? Singular noun. Plural nouns. Books. These books. Those pens. Those people. These classrooms. These are what? Nouns. Is that clear? So, if I say what are nouns? Naming means, it means simple, it means naming words. Then it means name of a place, thing, and animal. Kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, which is having a common identity, and proper noun which is having a specific identity. Material noun, name of the substances, fine, or materials from which the things are made. Then for example, benches, chairs, books, polybags. Then singular and plural noun. Singular noun, a book, a pen, a child. Then plural nouns, these books, those pens. These are what? Nouns. Is that clear? Now, this is fine. I think the lecture has been cleared, and rest of the book work I have sent you in the group. So try it and then see the answers.